Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be installing, styling, and of course slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. Now I'm teaming up with YGwigs, and if you've been watching my channel, you guys know about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago I did a beautiful headband lace wig with them, and it was this new style of headband wigs where it's a headband wig, but instead of having that cheesy one where it's just like the headband and then the hair goes straight back, they include lace with theirs. So I did put a black headband to show you how it will look with the black headband. The one I chose has the leopard print, but when you click the link in the description box and you go to this wig, if you don't want the leopard and you want a black headband on the wig, they have an option there. So they have an option for leopard and they have the option for black. Make sure you pick the black one, and even if you get the leopard one, you can always add your own headbands, your twillies, your Louis Vuitton scarves, so whatever you got going on top, just to, you know, add a little fun. But this is a lace headband wig. I love the fact that this was like a 5-minute easy install, super low maintenance, and the quality of the actual hair is beautiful. So this is not the one that's gonna like tangle up real bad at the nape, or if you get wet in the pool, you do a cute little dip, it's not gonna like frizz up or look crazy, nap up. It's gonna actually wave up and look beautiful, as you guys can already see from here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off, all I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend, I don't wanna pretend. You just get who I am. Almost.
Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally.
Blame it on the party, blame it on the booze. Grab a gun if you want it, make fake news on the news. Wipe your tears, cry, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, it's not about you. I don't even get it, why you got the blues and the world on your shoulders, walking
she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby, won't you keep me cold?
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like gecko, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick.
Okay guys, so as you guys can see, there's no surprise. I am back with another headband wig, and you guys know the ones from YGwigs are my favorite. We did a collab maybe about 2 weeks ago, and I showed you guys the first one, and I believe that one was more of a deep wave or like a curly texture. Yeah, that one was a curly wig. And I don't know if you guys can see it there, but you guys loved that one so much, and they loved how the video came out, so they asked if I could do another collab for the same line of headband wigs. And this time I think I have a wavy one. Let me just be certain. You guys know I'll be all over the place. Okay, yeah, so this one is a 22-inch loose wave, natural color, 180% density lace headband wig. If you guys want a discount, you can enter my code. It is Ashley20, and you will get $20 off any order over $100 at checkout. Of course, all of this information is listed in the description box, so don't have to like rewind. Just go to the description box and you'll find a direct link and all the details that you may need. They do have a giveaway every single month, so make sure you're also following them and me on Instagram to check that out for a possibility of winning a free wig. And yeah, I really love these wigs because everything that a headband wig is, this is. And what I mean by that is you typically, when you go for headband wigs, it's one that is more of a low maintenance protective style, something that you can kind of like cover your natural hair no matter what's going on underneath and just go. And that's also why I love these, is because you guys know all of the other headbands is kind of like you have the headband area, then everything else just goes straight backwards. With this one, you give the lace there, so it gives an illusion that again you have on like a frontal wig or a closure wig or something a little bit more of like an install, and you just chose to put a headband on the front. And I think the only thing that you guys didn't love about the first one was the leopard print. Now I'm a leopard print girl, and I love me a good leopard print, but I honestly can understand how if you are investing in wigs for yourself, knowing that day to day, like for example today I have on just a random Fashion Nova shirt, maybe that headband does not match. It's nice to have something to switch it up. So this is just like the 3-pack of headbands from Target that you get in the beauty section. I think it came with this one, like a gray one and a white one. And you see how easily it was for me to put this over, and it fits snug and perfect. And it is coming up right here, which is my fault. But those ones, I'll have those in the description box, but those are wide enough to cover. You can do like a twilly or a bandeau. You can literally do so many different things. I have the leopard one. It says headband color. I chose leopard, but you can also choose black. So this band here will be black, and there are definitely other beauties who have tried this wig that you can see on the sales page. A lot of women were fortunate enough to have their like baby hair leave out, which makes it look amazing and even more natural. You guys know my forehead situation. Ain't no leave out, ain't no baby hair going on over here, and you guys see we still look good and snatched. So this one is like a one size fits most. Majority of us will find a good reason or use for this one. So they did give some goodies. I think I showed in the beginning. They did give me the Tango Teaser brush. I used the one that I got the last time to wash and detangle the girl's hair the other day, and I love those. So I'm happy that I have two. Then there was this nice hefty pack as well, and inside you have some lashes. Let's just try to pull most of this out. You have a cute little twilly, and again, this is perfect to go around here too. But they did give a baby hair brush as well as two of these like dolphin clips in the color purple. Oh, and then they gave a mustard like yellow color headband. So that is really cute, and that actually would kind of go with my shirt. It's not the same color yellow, but it still would go. And then also they gave a pack of wig caps, and then like a coupon, and then the information manual. You guys already know your girl is featured in the manual. That is me, and this is me looking exactly like my mom. It's crazy. But yeah, I don't have any complaints about this wig. You guys know I work with YGwigs on a regular basis because I always fall in love with their hair. So this one was no less. So go ahead and check the description box for details and all of that, including the things that I did use to complete this look, including my powder and my electric hot comb and my wax and my edge control and the headband. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.